Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about uh, the new Road Traffic Act, and in more specific, what happens if you have a blown headlight. Now, I would like persons, especially those who live outside of Jamaica, to let us know how it works in their country. And I've gotten a lot of feedback from persons when we ask this question about other things. One, for example, was in America, what happens, or outside of Jamaica, what happens when you go to the toll plaza and you don't have cash to pay the toll? We explained how it works in Jamaica, and we got a lot of feedback from persons outside of Jamaica, and we actually learned a lot. So today I'm going to ask the question: if you're driving in a country if you're driving on the road in another country and you have a blown headlight or a tail light or a park light, what happens when the police stops you? So recently in Jamaica, I was driving and the police pulled me over saying I only had one headlight. So yes, the police were very courteous and I must say very professional. They came and they said they pulled me over because I only have one headlight. So I came out of the car, looked at it, and yes, I had one headlight. And the police officer said it's a $6,000 fine for having one headlight and 6 points off your license. So my headlight was blown, so there was basically I was wrong. The headlight was blown. It wasn't blown intentionally, but it was blown. So I'm not questioning the fact that it was blown. I'm just asking persons. One, don't you think that's a bit excessive to have a $6,000 ticket for a blown headlight? And two, 6 points just seems a bit excessive, because I think under the new Road Traffic Act, if you get 18 points, you lose your license. I know under the old act it was 12 points, but 6 points just seems a bit excessive. And three, how does it work in your country? I mean, if you're driving in America or the UK or Canada or even another Caribbean country and you have a blown headlight and the police stop you, how much is the ticket, and does it count towards your points? Now, I think, yes, the police can issue a ticket for like $1,000. Give the person a chance to fix the ticket. Now, ideally, what I think the best solution would be to give the person basically not a full-blown ticket, but give them something that gives them, say, 14 days or 7 days to fix it. So this is how I think ideally it should work. I don't know if that would be feasible in Jamaica. But I'm driving, I don't have a headlight. The police stop me, they give me like a citation, something that says, okay, you have 7 days to fix this. And the way it would work is you fix it and you take it to, say, an examination depot, or you take it to a police station. They inspect that the headlight was fixed. They sign something and nothing happens. Now, if I get that citation and I don't fix the headlights, after 7 days it becomes a ticket and the fine is enforced. Ideally, that's how I think it would work. Now, in reality, I don't know how practical that would be in Jamaica for them to just sign and the citation goes away. But every car, at one point or another, some light is going to go on it, whether it be the tail light, the indicator light, the headlight. It's a part of driving a car. So it doesn't make sense to issue a $6,000 ticket, and 6,000 Jamaican is about 40 US for a headlight, which is something that nobody would intentionally drive without a headlight. Most times persons know that these lights aren't working when they get pulled over. I'm not saying that's right, But if you are in the car, there's no way you're going to know if your brake light works because you are in the car. And basically, we're not against issuing a ticket, but I think the amount is a bit high. Now, just bear in mind why I think it's high. A bulb costs about 300 Jamaican, which is about $2 US. So you are giving somebody a $40 US fine to fix something that costs $2 US. Or in Jamaican, the fine is $6,000 and the bulb costs about 300 US to fix it. So that's why I think this fine is a bit too high. So guys, let us know what you think and let us know how it works in other countries, because we get a lot of feedback and we learn a lot from you guys when you explain to us how it works in other countries. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day. Oh, for those who want to know where we are on Old Harbour Road, driving between Spanish Town and Old Harbour. On the left is the Jamaica Boilers head office. I think they call this Macook Pen. And that's where we are for those who want to know what road we're driving on. Alright guys, have a good day.